Meaning of inmost.
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 Inmost. The word inmost is an adjective that describes the most intimate or private part of something or someone. It implies a deep innermost layer or feeling, which is not always visible to the surface. The term often applies to emotions, thoughts, and experiences that are hidden or not easily shared with others. In essence, inmost signifies the core or essence of a person or thing. It is a word that implies the utmost privacy or secrecy of something within oneself. Overall, inmost refers to the deepest, most intimate part of something or someone.